Hello and welcome back. This is day 2 of our Hyperdoc. Yesterday, your goal was to get through that dynamic Earth interactive. So as we enter day 2, if you click right here on the slides, you can see here is dynamic Earth interactive. So today we're going to start here with types of crust. Your goal today is to get types of crust, talk about that Pacific Ring of Fire, and right here, the introduction to plate boundaries, we'll go through the 3 types tomorrow. So here we go, types of crust. What do you need to do? So right here, you're going to play your animation. It's a fun little visual of what they are. You're going to read about it, and then you're going to complete this Venn diagram that compares our 2 major types of crust. As we go on, you're going to watch our short little video here about the Ring of Fire. You're going to read about it, and then you're going to click over here to the discussion board that will take you to Power School. And I want you to describe what the Pacific Ring of Fire is in your own words, and then you are going to ask one question, or you're going to have one question to put out there about something that goes on at the Pacific Ring of Fire. So think about it. Give me a good question. What happens at the Pacific Ring of Fire? It's more than just a Johnny Cash song. Okay. And then you're going to end today, right here with this plate boundaries. So when you click on the map, there is an article there. At the end of the article, let's see if it'll load nicely for me or if it's going to be cantankerous. Oh, there it goes. At the end of the article, there are, right here, the plate questions. Those are the questions that you're going to answer on the Padlet. So right here, you click on the Padlet, and as always, your name goes in the title box. So if you're going to answer that question, what moves the plates, you would click on the box. Sorry, the school bell's ringing. There you go. You're going to click on the box, put your name in, and then tell me what moves the plates. Use a complete sentence. You can color code those if you want. Okay? Once you've got your, 5 questions answered for the day, you are done, and we will meet you for day 3.